Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Dog Shedding Tool Reviews. Number 5. Furminator.
Tired of shedding? Furminator de-shedding tools reduce shedding up to 90% by safely removing loose undercoat without cutting. No matter your dog's body size or hair length, Furminator offers the right de-shedding tool and shampoo for a fast and efficient at-home de-shedding treatment. The new long hair version has longer teeth to reach further into the coat, while the short hair de-shedding edge works great on coats shorter than 2 inches. Furminator's patented products are used and recommended by many pet professionals and veterinarians.
Fur ejector, button releases hair. Ergonomic handle for comfort. Easily remove loose hair and undercoat. Remove loose hair without damaging. Shedding tool for medium dogs. The new short-haired shedding tool. Number 4. Majo's Dog and Cat Brush. Imagine no more hair around your house. Sturdy ergonomic build. High-grade 4 inches stainless steel combs. Get the highest quality comb available. Impact of allergic reactions in your home. Just 15 or 20 minutes of brushing twice a week. Number 3. Happy Dog Z Magic Pro. Say hello to extra time playing. Guaranteed to reduce dog, cat shedding by up to 95% in minutes. The dog brush to end all dog brushes. Highly recommended by vets. High quality stainless steel shedding blades. Number 2. Sheddinator. A lower density side for stubborn mats. The higher density side for faster shedding. Suitable for almost all the breeds of dogs. Long hair or short hair in daily use. Anti-slip rubber handle. Safe and harmless stainless steel blades. Number 1. The Pit Dog Brush and Cat Brush. Prevents dangerous pests like fleas. Durable rubber handle for non-slip grip. Strong stem handle that will not break. A sure-fire way to help prevent molting. Our product protects your cat, damaging the top coat whilst promoting a soft,